This is special.
This is special. Luke?
Why is this special for the people on the camera who have no idea?
Because he ate his first entire jar
No, he's
of food.
about to finish his
There you
first full jar of food.
Look at all those carrots.
Okay, can we show everybody how we take a spoon? Luke, ready? Ready? Good boy! Good boy! Yeah, there we go. There we go. Ready? Just a couple more. Couple more. Ready? Up, up. Come on, come on. Yeah. That's right.
This crazy monkey bib. Crazy monkey face. Trying to reach the camera.
Mmm. Okay, now we're just having fun. A little too much? A little too much? You gotta swallow. You gotta swallow. All right, come on, Lukies. We got 2 more scoops here. 2 or 3 more scoops.
Okay, there's a big chunk of it on his neck, on his chin.
Nummies. Nummies. Okay. Ready, buddy? I'll say 2 more. 2 more.
2 more bites.
Yummy. Yummy, come on. Okay, Luke, last bite.
Last
This is the big
bite.
one. This is the big
The money
one.
maker. Throw up right at the camera.
Don't yak on the last one. Come on, we just have 1 more. Yay, Luke, come on. Ready? And we're done! Yay! Yay!